today we're going to be playing with slime. So, sorry for the background noise. Here's the slime we're playing with. It's a little sticky, but all you have to do to make it not sticky is put some little bit, not too much, it'll make it hard. Put a little bit on your hand, rub it in, okay? Then just play with it some more. And then sorry if my voice is messed up today. My allergies and asthma is acting up today. But there's that slime. Don't know if you can see it, but that's it if you can see it. But if the lighting's bad, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put that right there. Away from the napkin. This is the one I made a few days ago. It's kind of sticky, so I'm not gonna get all of it out. I'm just gonna get some of it, like this much. It'll break. Hold on. That much I'm gonna get out. There's more than that. It's that much in there. It's that much. But it's stubborn. Hard to get back in. Sorry for the wait, but just trying to get the slime in my hands. Well, that's all the slime I have. I may be able to make some. So comment if you like slime, like and subscribe if you like slime. Now, if you don't want sticky slime, put more glue and more contact solution than you normally do, okay? Or you don't get it that sticky. Right now that one's sticky and I've added contact solution, everything. So I'm gonna go I'm coughing my head off today. I'm gonna go get I'm gonna get something to put this in. I'm in my pajamas already. It's nighttime. I'll show you the sky right now. Sorry if it's bothering you. Here, let me swirl this real quick. It's probably not gonna be perfect, but there. That's as good as it's gonna get right now, but okay, I'll show you the sky right now. Sorry. Walk to my house. If you've never seen my house, then right now it's dark outside. You see, it's just black. But the doors are so go ahead here. See, it's pitch black. Can't even see anything. But it's pitch black out there. Go ahead, lock the door. Okay. Now we're back in the light. Okay, this stuff, gross. I like this stuff, not that stuff. Okay. Turn you back around. So, that's pretty much all for tonight's video. Remember, I post Monday and Friday. I didn't mean Friday, I meant Saturday. Sorry, get me confused. Weekend. I have school and all that crap. But here, I'll get something for y'all real quick. I'm gonna put this in here with it. Sorry if that went everywhere. Down the camera and all that, but I'm just trying to make this not sticky. Not as sticky. It's not as sticky anymore. But it's still super slimy. So yeah. I'm not going to play with this for a while. Well, sorry guys for the long video today. I'm going to go wash my hands. And you can watch me wash my hands and all that crap. But then I'm going to show you something. I've never showed anybody before. Except you guys. Wash my hands. Sorry if the house is a mess too. Don't have the camera. Sorry if the house is a mess. We don't clean it till Saturday, so I'll go. My room's a mess. My room's a mess. You got everything thrown everywhere.
You immediately. How did you do all this? It was easy, once I cleared my mind.
But what about Krabs and Patrick?
Taken care of. Right this way, please. Good evening, sir. From our menu type, might I recommend the Krabby Newburg. We take the finest cuts of aged imported kelp, stuff them with herbs from our garden, wrap them in parchment wrap.
Saw that. Okay, that's pretty much all for this video. Thank you. Love you.